Hi everyone, Scott Smith, Rusnak BMW. Found this nice jewel here in the inventory. Brand new 335 sedan. Got it in the mineral gray with the coral red interior, pretty much loaded. Just wanted to go over some of the options here on the car. Just a nice car, great combo. 300 horsepower, 5,800 RPMs, 300 foot-pounds of torque at 1,300 RPMs. 0 to 60 through BMW is 5.1. Check out the Xenon headlights. They are adaptive. They're standard on this model. You got the custom lower bumper from the M Sport. Also, one thing I really like the BMW did here for the new model 2015 is they put a new custom wheel on it. So really nice, more of a darker color on the inside there. You got the performance brakes, really nice upgrade, great pedal feel on that too. 4 piston up front, 2 in the back. Let's go ahead and go to the back of the car. Have Marissa help us here with a little rev time. Let's see if she's gonna do it or not. On the gas pedal. There you go, a little bit. All right, doesn't sound too bad. So then I'm gonna have her pop the hood and we'll look underneath there. You'll pull that twice. You do it twice. Cool. Okay, here's the 3-liter, guys. Car weighs just under 3,600 pounds. Just around 182 inches long. Also, the trunk, you've got 13 cubic feet of storage in there. So great turbo, twin power turbo technology in here. 3-liter. All right. Good job, Marissa. How you doing?
Good.
Cool. So now let's do this. Let's go ahead and show the back seat. The front seat was comfortable where you were, is that right?
Yes.
And you're what, 5'7" without the heels?
5'7" without the heels.
Okay. Let me get the back door for you here. Jump in the back, guys. Let's show you the space. So you can see easily, you can put 5 adults in here. 4 is a lot more comfortable. Plenty of leg room. And you can see you got the black headliner. That comes with your M Sport package, but check out that interior. You got contrast stitching with black stitching. Also, you got the signature speakers with the Harman Kardon sound system. Cool, come on out. And then let's go ahead and go to the back. Let's show them the trunk. Let's pop that open. There we go. Now, if you want to go ahead, Marissa, I'm gonna pop the seats right now. If you want to pull them down, let's show the guys the space. There's the 40-20-40 split seats. Just gonna drop those down for you. So you guys, you can see all the ton of space, and you got some utility, which is really nice. And these do come with run flat tires. So you do have some storage down here. Different tie downs all over the place. All right, Marissa, let's put those up real quick. There you go. Close up the trunk. You want to jump in the driver's seat?
Sure.
Okay, let's do that. Let's show you some stuff inside, guys. All right. Now this car does have the premium package, guys. That's going to give you the comfort access, the complete keyless. It's going to give you also the lumbar support. It's going to give us the leather interior. Also, I think gives us satellite radio, including a year.
Yes.
Now, the one thing we do have is we do have the navigation in this too. This is the technology package. So it's the 4.2 version, 20 gig hard drive. This one also has the heads-up display, which you might barely be able to see up there flickering in the screen. Now, Cole, what do you think of the steering wheel, Marissa?
It's really nice. It's a great car to drive. And I also love the interior in this car.
Cool, good job. Yeah, it's the M Sport steering wheel, guys. So they use Napa leather. It's a little thicker. Also, definitely a different design. You've got a lot of controls here for voice command, radio. You've also got your cruise control. And also this one does have the paddle shifters. Also, we've got more of the aluminum trim in here, which is a nice little sportier you know, design, a little bit more attitude, great cup holders. Oh, one thing too, let me come to the other side, Marissa, just to show them some of the seats we have in here. We got the sports seats, guys. Let's go over and see the adjustments on that. So the one thing that's nice here that you can do is you can also do the sides here. So you can do the width adjustment. So you can do that right there. Also, Marissa can play with the lumbar support, which is here, guys. Also, you do have the leg extension up front. So if you want more hamstring support, you can definitely get that. And you can see memory for 2 different drivers. Also, it does have a tilting effect. So you can tilt the seat back if you want, or forward. And then go ahead and adjust the steering wheel, Marissa. At least we'll show the guys that. So go ahead and release it down there. See down below right there? Yeah, let's drop that. And then go ahead and show them the range of motion. So you can pull it out, you can push in, it can go up and down. So that way you can get the right angle for seeing the gauges. Also, it's not too high if you like to sit low. So definitely, and then you put it where you want and go ahead and lock it back in. Just pull straight up, there you go. Also, you do have more storage in here, guys. Storage for sunglasses, whatever you like. Also, you've got a spot here for water bottles. So you do have a place up front for 4 different drinks. Let's go ahead and step out. Thanks, Marissa. Thanks for your help. Let's see you later.
Guys.
Have a good one. Bye-bye. Guys, let me give you some more shots here on the outside. Also, let me go over the sticker in just a second, too. So this is the mineral gray, guys, with the coral red interior. You got the new wheel design for the 2015. And here's the sticker. Let's see if we can get this thing to read like on some of the other videos. Let's just see if I can get it to focus. I know with that glass in front of it's a little bit of a pain. I've got a printout for it, but I wanted to see if I could do it just right here on the glass section for you, but it looks like it's focusing on the glass and not the stick. Ah, there we go. A little bit better, huh, guys? So there we go. 2015. I'll just break down the packages there for you. You can see everything that the car has. This one's pretty loaded. You got most of the wanted items out here in California. You can see it's just under 58,000. There's your gas mileage, 21 and 32. 25 is an average. There's your final assembly. But cool, definitely this interior. What a nice touch with the gray. Let's get this thing to focus for you. I definitely like the darker wheels that BMW is coming out with too. You know, we don't deal with as much brake dust as we used to in the past, with like on the E46 and even on the E90. But it's kind of nice with these darker wheels, a little bit more aggressive, and then obviously that brake dust doesn't show up as quickly either. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Definitely give me a thumbs up, share it with your other media sources. You got any questions, put it down below. Talk to you later.